Now, viewers, Bengal governor has slammed Mamata Banerjee's government in West Bengal. The West Bengal governor, in fact, has said that present government has failed its women and Bengal is not a safe place for women. Listen in.
Bengal is not a place safe for women. Bengal has failed its women, not Bengal society. The present government of Bengal has failed the women folk. They are scared. They are scared of gundas. This has been created by a government which is insensitive to this issue. Unfortunately, in Bengal, the government has ensured that women have no protection. That is what is reflected in the gruesome tragedy that has taken place in RG Kar. That should not be repeated again.
Now, as the chorus is growing for justice, over 70 Padma awardees have written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding strict and time-bound punishment for perpetrators of crime against women and healthcare professionals. The demand also includes implementation of a special law ensuring the protection of healthcare workers. On the other hand, the Central Bureau of Investigation has intensified the probe, with the Kolkata cops handing over the victim's diary to the CBI officials. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, is being grilled for the 4th consecutive day today. Sanjay Roy, the only accused arrested in CBI's custody, underwent a psychological assessment by forensic department. Now, amidst all these developments, there seems to be a rift in the TMC party because senior MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has demanded CBI questioning of Kolkata Commissioner of Police over the suicide theory. This seems to have raised the hackles of the TMC, who called his demand illogical. Listen.
Honorable MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy जी जो ट्वीट किया, पुलिस कमिश्नर को कस्टोडियल इंटरोगेशन चाहिए, ये जो डिमांड है इसको हम अपोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आफ्टर गेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑनरेबल सीपी विनीत गोयल, he has done his best. Within 12 hours, an accused has been arrested.
So that is the reaction that we are getting for you at this point in time, and questions are now being raised by the TMC as well, that it's been around 5 days and we have not really heard from the CBI. On the other hand, BJP is demanding the resignation of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Sabyasachi is now joining us live for more on this. Before that, there is another important update that we are getting for you. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee is protesting against CBI demanding answers. Sabyasachi, give us more details.
Well, absolutely. See, Trinamool Congress Lok Sabha Member of Parliament Kalyan Banerjee is protesting against CBI. Now the entire Trinamool Congress is questioning the CBI because earlier we had seen that the protest was taking place against the Kolkata police because of their inactiveness. Now the Trinamool Congress is saying that in the last 5 days since the CBI has taken over the case, there has been no official update from the CBI as to how far the investigation has reached, and that is the reason why the Trinamool Congress leaders are now protesting against the CBI, stating that the CBI is not maintaining a transparency in the case. Now, if you see previously when Mamata Banerjee has given a deadline to the Kolkata police to wrap up the investigation by 17. Now, Mamata Banerjee in her last speech as well, she has said that I give the same deadline to the CBI, that the CBI has to wrap up the case as soon as possible. Now, several of the Trinamool Congress leaders in fact have questioned that the protest that is taking place, whether it is in RG Kar, in other hospitals in Kolkata, has been hijacked by the BJP, where the BJP is using it as a toolkit to put down the Mamata Banerjee's government here. Now, in fact, the Trinamool Congress has said that several social media campaigns are being run by the BJP and several units of BJP to target and tarnish the Trinamool Congress government, and at this particular point the CBI is silent and they are not giving any update which they have been asked by the central by the state government.
Right. Sabyasachi, stay on with us. Now, high drama, viewers, was witnessed yesterday in Kolkata with thousands of football fans hitting the streets. This development came after the highly anticipated football match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal at Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium was suspended. Fans slammed TMC government in West Bengal, saying Mamata Sarkar was scared that the audience would stage a protest in the stadium demanding justice for the trainee doctor who lost her life. Listen to these reactions.
अभी यहाँ पे जो इतना सारे सिक्योरिटी आप देख रहे हैं, इतना सिक्योरिटी वहाँ पे देने से आपका मैच बन जाता। हम लोग यहाँ पे ना लाठी लेके आए हैं, ना बॉम्ब लेके आए, कुछ लेके। हम लोगों का एक ही बात है कि जो मैच यहाँ पे बंद कर दिया गया है, ठीक है, वो मैच सिर्फ बंद इसीलिए कर दिया गया है क्योंकि आज खेल की नहीं है। मोहन बागान, ईस्ट बंगाल सब एक संग आज यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट के लिए आया था कि मैदान पे चिल्लाएंगे, इस जस्टिस के लिए चिल्लाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ का सरकार सिर्फ इसलिए इसको बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि उसको पता था अगर 80,000 लोग वहाँ पे चिल्लाएंगे तब उनको पता होगा कि 80,000 का आवाज कितना दूर तक जाएगा, और इसीलिए इसको यहाँ पे बंद कर दिया गया।
हमारा ये मैच रोक दिया गया सिक्योरिटी रीजन। आज देखिए कितना सिक्योरिटी दिया है, तो ये कहाँ का इंसाफ हुआ? आप इधर बोल रहे हो कि सिक्योरिटी के लिए हमसे इतना सिक्योरिटी नहीं दे पाएंगे, और कितना पुलिस अब खड़ा कर दिया, 500-600 पुलिस अब खड़ा कर दिया, तो ये एकदम गलत किया। और हम लोग ये इसका जो एजिटेशन है ये हम करेंगे।
वी वांट जस्टिस। अगर आज स्टेडियम में मैच होता 60,000 दर्शक हम लोग एक ही सुर में गाना गाते। पहली बार इस बंगाल मोहन बागान के दर्शक आपस में मिलकर एक ही स्लोगन गाते। इस तो सरकार को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आप मुझे बताइए उनकी घर में तो माँ बहन बेटी है, आज उनके साथ होता तो वो क्या आवाज नहीं उठाते?
Let's go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us. Bhavtosh is also with us on the story. Sabyasachi, now very important developments have taken place today, but also we are being told that BJP is going to hold more protest in Kolkata today. What more updates can you share with us, even as CBI probe is continuing in this matter?
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP has launched a scathing attack against the Trinamool Congress government here. In fact, the BJP Mahila Morcha unit will be holding a symbolic protest today in Kolkata on the day of Raksha Bandhan against the Trinamool Congress. On 20th, it will be the BJP MLAs who would be on ground and holding protest against the Trinamool Congress. On 22nd, it will be the Member of Parliaments from the BJP here in Kolkata who would be holding protest in various locations of the city. On 23rd, the BJP would be gherawing the Health Ministry, which in fact comes under Mamata Banerjee. And on 24th, the Mahila Morcha again will be carrying out their agitation. So the BJP said that they would not stop until and unless Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee resigns.
Right.
And they would continue to raise their demands and raise the demands of the doctors who have been protesting.
Right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. There's another breaking update that we are getting for our viewers on this story. Now, TMC Rajya Sabha MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has moved Kolkata High Court seeking protection from arrest after he was sent 2 notices by Kolkata Police. Remember, he demanded the arrest of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal and claimed that dog squad visited the spot 3 days after the incident. So this is the big update that we are getting.